Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by verifying you either control the Apple ID tied to the iPhone or that you have the original proof of purchase. Once done, check the device shows activation lock on the setup screen. This tells you it's linked to an Apple ID. If you have credentials, sign into Settings General Transfer or erase all content and settings to initiate a full wipe. If you don't, immediately contact the original owner to remove the device from iCloud or prepare documentation for Apple support. Next, perform the core removal steps using iCloud if you can reach the linked Apple ID. Log into iCloud. Open Find My, select the target iPhone, choose Erase iPhone, and after the erase completes, click Remove from Account. This clears activation lock. Alternatively, if you have physical access and can sign out in Settings before erasing, do that instead because it removes the lock immediately. If neither option works, compile the device serial /MA and proof of purchase to escalate with Apple support. That's the main alternative path. Finally, restart the phone and go through the initial setup. If the previous steps succeeded, you won't see the activation lock prompt, and you can sign in with your Apple ID. Make sure to restore your data from an iCloud or encrypted Finder/iTunes backup if needed. If the lock still appears, stop and don't attempt bypass tools. Instead, gather the original receipt, device serial /MA, and contact Apple support for account verification. A key troubleshooting tip: Apple requires verifiable ownership, so having clear proof of purchase is essential and often resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.